Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Breville. This espresso machine came in with the classic issues. We replaced the solenoid valve as well as the pump. We had to get in and clean the flow meter. We also disassembled and cleaned the grinder, and even at its finest, we're not quite getting there. It didn't come in with a portafilter, but we have a couple that we're going to try some shots from. First one we're going to do with a double-lined basket, which is it helps make crema on some of this style machine. And there we go. And we have it at its finest, and it's not quite that fine, but let's see what we get out of it. Should still get a good shot. We'll keep our eye on the gauge. It's test coffee coming through a little fast, as you can see, even with the double-lined basket. We'll cut it short just to show. Just to show the work we did, this is a regular basket of freshly ground coffee on our grinder. And we will once again watch the bars, and that will show the new pump, the new brew valves, the cleaning of the flow meter right up there, right in the range, and a nice espresso. Check that a little short. We'll show some of the other features that we have. Here's the hot water. And we'll show the steam. Purge out a little bit of that water first. There you go. Nice, quick, dry steam. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.